warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Cha-Cha practice routine number 4. So this was taught on the 28th of March 2022, so if you're in your paid video library and you want to look for the full 45-minute section of the class, it's the second half of the 90-minute class on the 28th of March 2022. I'm going to turn around and make a little start. We were working on natural tops and reverse tops today, so they're the key feature of the routine. We started with 4 basics: back, replace, cha, 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 forwards, replace, cha, 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 back, replace, cha, 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 forwards, replace, cha, cha, cha. I'm on the follower's timing for a natural top. Back, replace, cha, cha, cha. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. Right, left, cha, cha, cha. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. 3 shoulder to shoulders. Back, replace, cha, cha, cha. Back, replace, cha, cha, cha. Back, replace, cha, cha, cha. Spiral out into a fan, forwards, open, cha, cha, cha. Close, forwards, cha, cha, cha. And I'm on a turn to come out. Turn, around, cha, cha, cha. Cuban breaks, 4 sets. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 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 Reverse top. Back and cha, cha, cha. Cross, open, cha, cha, cha. Open, cross, cha, cha, cha. Cross, open, cha, cha, cha. Guys, I told you it's a very short routine. We were actually working on our natural tops and reverse tops in the class. I did say that with the reverse top, where we'd only just started it, that you could actually reduce the numbers of rotations by doing the steps wider. So whilst this isn't the full correct footwork, you could achieve a practice such as back and cha, cha, cha. Cross, open, cha, cha, cha. Cross, open, cha, cha, cha. Nice wide circle so you don't go dizzy whilst you're just practicing getting the cross in behind. So maybe have a little go at that rather than forcing yourself to get all the way into the routine. So guys, that was 4 basics. We did the natural top. We did 3 shoulder to shoulders. We spiraled out. We did the fan. We came back in. Alemana turn. 4 sets of Cuban breaks into the front corners, and then the reverse top on the way out. Guys, thank you so much. I told you it was a short video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.